I think what we're seeing here is just a cascade of bad news, one thing after another. Julie mentioned a lot of these things, Betty. We have two groups in Congress right now saying they want Valeant to appear. Democrats in the House calling for subpoenas of the company's pricing practices, which can expand into a lot of other things. This Wall Street Journal report detailing some of the things leading up to Bill Ackman's conference call last week, including getting rid of the CEO of the company. We still haven't heard a ton from Valeant's CEO himself. They haven't been out there publicly.
Right.
There's some speculation, and it is just speculation out there in the market, that some of the big holders are getting out of the stock, which, given where the shares keep declining, we're down
Jana
below.
Partners yesterday saying they're selling out completely.
Yeah, and the shares went below $75, which is the first time in the last, I think, more than 2 years. I just did a quick look. This company has had 6 days in the last 6 weeks where the shares have dropped more than 10%. It feels like it's one thing after another, and you have to wonder at some point, is this just momentum and sentiment taking over?
Yeah, and speaking about sentiment, I'm just looking right now at our terminal function SI, right, the short interest, and boy, has that spiked in the last several days. It's at its highest level since earlier this year. The shorts are piling up on Valeant.
Yeah, they are. And, I think one of the things that I hear from investors and analysts when I talk is that this company has always been a little bit of a black box. When you look at how they report and how they break out products, it may not be quite as much information. There's a lot of kind of very established, steady companies. And then the other thing is that the company kind of changes quarter to quarter. It does so many deals that the company looks very different every quarter. You essentially have a new drug company. And so figuring out exactly how to value this thing and what the company is going to look like in the future can be quite difficult, because you don't really have a great past historical precedent just because of the way they've been doing roll-ups.